Hey, this is Stoky. It's for people who want to keep up with the market but cannot spend hours researching it every day. Stoky scans the market, watches your portfolio, and turns what matters into simple podcast. Let's start with Spotlight. These are the topics gaining attention in the market right now. Instead of searching across news and research yourself, you can listen to a deep research podcast in a few minutes. Filings does the same for important company updates such as an 8Ks and 10Ks. These documents can run up to 100 of pages. Instead of reading through them yourself, you can listen to the key information in a 5 to 10 minutes podcast. And when you only have a few minutes, the daily briefing gives you a quick overview of what happened in the market the day before. Let's open a podcast. You can listen, skim the summary, and go deeper when you want to. And if a question comes up, Noah is right here. Ask about the podcast or the underlying filings, and the Noah uses that source material and the market context to answer in plain English with citations. Now, let's move to the portfolio studio. I connected my brokerage account and I can see my holdings here in one place. Let's open Meta. Stokey brings together the latest market moving news, price data, and history, and what people are saying about the company. Here is my thesis, the reason I invested in Meta. In this case, my view is that Meta's investment in AI infrastructure will create value. Stokey continuously scans the market for the news and filings related to that thesis and then surfaces the relevant updates so I can see whether the evidence supports, challenges, or changes my original view. Doing this manually would mean tracking every relevant filing and market update myself. Stokey does that work continuously, so I can focus on evaluating the evidence instead of searching for it. The portfolio briefing turns the important changes across my holdings into a concise podcast: what moved, why, and what to watch next. Matrix. Matrix is an interactive research workspace that is available when you want to explore the market more deeply. It connects more than 1800 companies and market concepts, and it also gives Stokey the context behind the podcast, Noah's answers, and your portfolio insights. Doing this research manually means pulling together company data, market relationships, and social conversations from different places. With Matrix, you can open any company and explore its market data, fundamentals, social conversations, and connections across the market in one place. This is Stokey. It does the research investors do not have time to, then brings the important information together in a format that is easy to follow. Thank you.